Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we're producing, head on over to YouTube, join our channel by hitting that subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, Akash at Mangyeko0, myself at JustAnalysis1. Taking a look at CRO here, pretty kind of wild expansion move here. An entry at 45.5 cents, of the stop down at 43.5. That triggered, this was the entry is based on the reversal pattern from this bearish fake out setup, double bottom, 2 boxes lower. The reversal was right on the 3-box reversal of that, the 3-box reversal of that O column, right on the 3rd box. Wow, I cannot talk this morning. It was there at 45.50 is where that entered. It moved up to 0.0, to 0.495, just shy of 50 cents, and came back down. So what is it doing right now? I mean, it clear rejection up against the Tenkan Sen. Then yesterday closed below the Wednesday open and the Wednesday low. At the same time, I mean, it looks, ICRO looks like it's really set up for a pretty strong continuation move south, maybe to test that 38-cent level. That's where the next chunk of high volume node is at. That's where the 618 Fib retracement is at. However, it is very bull leggy-ish looking, or bull pennanty looking. Yeah, or some people, if they're going to use the low of that, they might look at this like a descending triangle, which is inherently bearish. The zone that it really needs to get above here, and an area to watch, needs to get a clear close above, really right at 52.5 to 53 cents. Large chunk of resistance up there, Ichimoku-wise and Fib-wise. Also, there's a Kumo twist coming up here on Sunday, which could trigger a move higher, especially if we continue to trade sideways or even lower. So by Sunday, you could see CRO turn back into some bullish momentum, but otherwise structurally it still looks like it has some room to travel south and like it wants to push down to that 38-cent range. Upside potential is going into the weekend is likely capped at 66 cents at that at the 382 Fib retracement. But yeah, that's what I see for CRO. I'll pass it off to you, Akash.
So the last time we discussed this, I mentioned 2 demand zones here overlapping. One is the daily demand zone extending from 0.383 to 0.456. And then we have this 3 demand zone here ranging from 0.316 to 0.417. I expected it to kind of move higher and test this weekly resistance level here, 0.51. And so far, the bounce that we saw here from the daily demand zone wasn't really that great, and you can see it on a 4-hour time frame over here. So we did kind of manage to go above the demand zone here, but now we're back again, indicating that the bullish momentum that we got here from the daily demand zone isn't good enough. And also, and the reason why I think this is going to continue is because we're spending quite a lot of time here in the demand zone, and a lot of orders that were like stuck here are getting filled. And so we're not going to see a lot of momentum. Even if we do see upside, I think it's going to be capped at 0.51. I don't see it going any higher than this. As for the downside, like if you look at it from a weekly time frame perspective, right? Okay. So there was quite a big move here, and so this price inefficiency. So honestly, I think kind of have to align with what John is saying, that it does have room to move south. So I'd be kind of wary trading this coin.
Don't sound so grudging when you say that.
Yeah.
I guess I have to agree with John here.
Honestly, yeah, I expected it to go higher after this bounce of the demand zone, but since it hasn't, and now that I'm noticing that there's this cluster that the way it's stuck in the demand zone, I don't like it. So we're probably even going to get a retest of the 3-day demand zone here at 0.41. before we see any kind of a bullish movement. So yeah, that's about it. Upside capped at 0.51. The downside, we could see it come down into this the overlap to the daily and the 3-day demand zone here. So okay, which apparently also coincides with what John just mentioned, which is 0.38, the 38-cent level. So yeah, that's about it.
Right on. Thank you, Akash, and thank you everybody for watching. Have a great weekend. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.